at ก๋วยเตี๋ยวเรือรสนิยม aka my uncle and my aunt's noodle shop, which is conveniently located right beside my house. They make specialty noodle called boat noodle. Hello ค่ะป้านีจะถามคำถามว่าก๋วยเตี๋ยวเรือเนี่ยมันต่างจากก๋วยเตี๋ยวธรรมดายังไงคะ
ชาติก๋วยเตี๋ยวเรือจะน้ำคลุกคลิก
น้ำคลุกคลิกใช่ไหมคะ
ใช่แล้วก็เส้นน้ำน้อยแล้วก็ใส่เลือดจะมีเลือด
รสชาติจะเป็นยังไงคะ
เข้มข้นจัดจ้าน
เข้มข้นจัดจ้านใช่ไหมคะตามรสไหม
ตามรสเปรี้ยวหวานเค็ม
โอเคBoat noodle originated from central Thailand. In the past, people lived along canals or rivers. They transported by boat, including noodle vendors. Because of the limited space on the boat, the vendor could only bring so much broth. Hence, they had to make stronger flavor broth to compensate for the lack of quantity. Wow, did you see the color of that broth? It was so rich. If there's anything around here that kimchi would go good with, would be this noodle for sure. So I have no choice but to do a collaboration with my aunt's noodle to make a dry noodle with rare beef slices with the good old Beichu kimchi extra spicy. There are two kind of noodles in Thailand. There's wet noodle with broth that you can slurp, and there's dry noodle, which is pretty much just kind of like a noodle bowl that has heavier seasoning. It's really good for lunch, and it is very good when the weather is really warm, like today.